In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can customize the look of Contact Form 7 forms with CSS. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you want to know how to edit your Contact Form 7 forms without codes, just go ahead and click on the link right over here because I already have a video on how you can do that. Okay, so now let's continue with this tutorial. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open your contact form. So to do that, go to Pages, then view your contact form. And then here, just go ahead and click on the Customize button at the upper part of your screen. So once you are here, as you can see at the left side of your screen, we have the additional CSS section, which is right over here. So just go ahead and click on that. And then we have this field, okay? So in this tutorial, we will be using this page right over here because there's a code snippets right over here, okay? So you can just go ahead and click on the link below so that you can use this snippets right over here, okay? So let's start. So for this code right over here, we have the background and border CSS. So copy it and paste it right here. As you can see, it changed the color. So you can also adjust it. So for example, for the background color, you want it to be pink or yeah, let's put pink. You can see that it's now color pink. For the border, we want to change it for black or let's put solid black like that. And then width and padding, you can also adjust that if you want to. Okay, but I'm happy with it. So let's add a more CSS or code. So here we have the input fields. So copy that as well if you want to use it. Paste it right over here. And then now let's see what will happen if we change something from this code. Okay, so let's change this for subject because we have the text, email, and subject. For the font size, you can adjust that. As you can see, it's now in 16 pixels. If you want to make it smaller, let's use 14. As you can see, it's smaller now. For the background color, if you want to change it, for example, black, as you can see, it's now color black, but we can see the text, so we will stick with color white. Okay. For the border, if you want to add border, just go ahead and put it right over here, just like this. For the width, you can also adjust that if you want to. Okay. But for now, I'm happy with that. Or let's just change this so that we can see a changes. Okay. So what color? Let's put sky blue there. Okay. So now what we can also do is to go back right over here and copy this code for the submit button here. So as you can see right over here, we have the input. So this is the state of the button before any action has taken place on it. Input hover, this is the state of the button when someone hovers their mouse pointer over the top of it. And input active, this is the state of the button when someone clicks on the button itself. Okay. So here, let's paste that code. And then we have this long code right over here. So let's change the color. We want it sky blue. So you can see the text is now in sky blue, but let's just put that black. Font size, let's see, when with 15. For the font weight, if we change it to 300, as you can see, it's thinner, right? 800 looks like that. Font size, background color. So let's change that to sky blue. Like that. padding, border, and border radius. You can just go ahead and adjust that however you like. Okay, so now let's go here with the input hover. So as you can see here, it is the state of the button when someone hovers their mouse pointer over the top of it. As you can see, it changes the color, right? So when they do that, I want it to be in color violet. So let's try. As you can see, it changes the color. And for the input active, as you can see here, this is the state of the button when someone clicks on the button itself. Okay, so if you want to change it, let's put red. You can see when someone clicks on it. Okay, so now if you're happy with the looks of your form, you can just go ahead and publish it by clicking the publish button right over here. Okay, so now when we view our contact form, it looks like this. Okay, so that's it. That is how you customize the look of your contact form 7 forms with CSS. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.